Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo S2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch. Then press and hold the side button. Once the menu appears on the screen, tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off your watch. After the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.